What's up, guys? On today's video we're going to be doing a front bumper removal off of a 2024 Honda Civic. This one was hit on the driver's side corner between the fender and the bumper. This is the damage here. Let's get started. We're going to start by opening the hood up and using the hood prop to hold it up. We started by removing the OEM push retainers that it has. I started on the damaged side, and it has 3 on this side that need to be removed. I left the other one because the tap was broken on the headlight. You'll see it on the other side that I removed all 3. Then we moved to the center of the bumper and we removed 2 more that we have here. Another 2, so that's a total of what, 7 already? Once I remove those, I remove the 3 that it has on this side. And this one under the rubber seal, it has another one that needs to be removed. It's kind of hidden. It's kind of dark on this side, but when I move to the other side, you have a better picture of the retainer. And this is what holds the upper cap of the bumper to the fender. Once you remove that, it snaps off. And like I said, I go to the other side, and over here you can see it better. I just pop that one off. Once that is done, we're going to go ahead and switch to the bottom. Once we remove the retainers that it has on the top of the vehicle, we're going to switch to the bottom of the vehicle. And it has several retainers and 2 10mm bolts and 2 Phillips screws as well. Over here I've removed 2, separating the fender liner from the bumper. Then I go ahead and grab my ratchet and I remove the 10mm that's holding the bumper to the engine cover. Oh yeah. And then we're going to remove the retainers that are seen at the bottom from the bumper to the engine cover. You can see the limited room that I have down here, even with the car lifted up on jack stands. But I'm going to go ahead and remove, I believe I removed 4 already. I want to say this is the 5th. And the 6th after this one. So it has a total of 8, including the ones on the fender liner. This is the 6th one. And all I'm using to remove these is a panel clip removal tool. Or you can use a flathead, a little pry bar flathead. Then I remove the 10mm on this side. And then I have the ones that attach the bumper to the fender liner. Once I get these off, it's time to remove the Phillips screws. 1 on each side, 1 on the right side, passenger side, 1 on the left side, driver side. Once we remove those, it's time to switch over to the sides of the vehicle. In this one we have 2 Phillips heads, 2 Phillips screws. We remove the one on the bumper to the fender liner, and then we remove the one that goes from the bumper to the fender retainer bracket. This one's kind of hard to see. I lost frame of it. Then I go to the other side. This side was torn. It's getting a new bumper and getting all of that swapped out, but you can see it here. Remove this one. Then I remove the one that's supposed to be attached to the fender that holds the fender to the bumper, and the one that I lost frame of on the other side. Remove that Phillips screw. And now all I'm doing is using my knee to apply pressure upwards, and I snap the bumper off. And that's pretty much it, guys. Then the next clip you're going to see me doing is removing the harnesses off of the sensors. We have the fog light that needs to be removed. Then I disconnect the sensor. And then we move on to the sensor that's behind the Honda emblem. That one comes off as well. And then whatever I did to the passenger side, driver side gets done as well. The sensor and the fog lamp. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys around for more.